Putting all together, testing inbound call campaign with live agent console. Congratulations! So finally we are here to test our inbound call campaign with live agent console. To make more fun and good learning experience, I have created IVR for the call center so that all inbound calls for a call center will land on this IVR, and then the customer can select their desired service to connect to the agent. Just let me review my settings. This is my inbound call center toll-free number configured, and this point to the call center IVR. Now let's check the IVR, call center IVR, and you can see we have designated one for the new order queue that we configured during this course and two for the customer order track. Perfect, all seems good. So let's log in as our agent 1001 and we hope to get some calls from the customer. Now the agent is ready and active and waiting for the calls. Let me make call from my cell phone. The toll-free number 800-5532. Yes, the IVR start playing, and now I will press 1 for new order.
To repeat the choices, press star.
Now you can see we are now connected with a live call on the agent console. Let me give you an overview of this agent console. The top bar you can see now show connected to a call because we are on a live call with agent. The hang up, transfer and save data buttons are now active, and we can perform action on these. For example, if you want, you can transfer this call to any other agent, a supervisor, and both attendant transfer and blind transfer are supported. Call panel provide useful information about caller, like campaign name. This is very useful and practical when you assign agent on multiple campaign, so each time he or she can see the campaign name and can serve customer accordingly. Internal call ID, it's for Elastix internal purpose. Phone number, the number from which the caller is calling. First and last name of the customer that is on call. Agent can read the name of the caller when answered the call. It gives more friendly and professional look when agent answered the call and says welcome Mr. Smith can, as in this case. All this data is coming from the CSV that uploaded to the client module in call centers. The agent script is available. This is really helpful to the agent and it's handy and useful to have a script like this. It should have details about the call service or campaign. The form area. Now this is where we can take the details from the customer over the phone and enter into this form. Let Mr. Smith want to book new order for his brother Martin Joe's. So the agent will ask Mr. Smith to provide the details. Let enter the details. Yes, and pick up date, shipping to UK, and some dummy address, etc. Now click on Save Data to save this information. Nice, perfect. Let's hang up the call. Disconnect from console and let's log out and re-log in as 1003, the callback extension. Let me connect the console. Now I'll make call again, and this time from the IVR I will press 2 for order tracking queue. As you can see, the agent phone ring this time and it's not auto answer since this is callback extension. Let me accept this call. Yes, the console show the same screen except there is only one additional thing, the external side. Now this is the custom pop-up page as we configured in our custom URL settings. The caller ID is available, so you can create a similar web page to look up in your CRM and then pop out the required details, like in case of hospital, patient history, or for traveling industry, You can have traveler or passenger traveling history, or for insurance company to check the customer policy, etc., or even bank to pull out customer details, etc. So you can utilize it according to your business requirement. Good enough and really useful. So I'm sure by this time, I believe you would have been good fan of Elastix. In a proprietary call center system, such integration would cost you more and in fact would be more complicated. Let me hang up the call. This completes our inbound call campaign. In fact, the complete setup of inbound call center. So congratulations again. You have built up a professional and full features call centers.